everyone, it's me Jessa Gomez Robles. So for today's video is I'm gonna show you or I'm gonna share with you how I organize my things in my backpack. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing to do is I have here my blanket. So I bring this blanket with me because this is my favorite blanket. Next is my clothes. I have here my long sleeve, my leggings, and also an underwear. I'm gonna put this. Next is my personal necessities. This one, sanitary pads, the soap, Colgate, shampoo, and also my toothbrush. So I'm gonna put inside my backpack. Next thing to do is my utensils. I have here my spoon and fork and my plate. I'm gonna place it in the cleanest space in my bag, so that it will not get dirty. So next is this canned goods and one piece of biscuits in case of emergency, in case of hungriness. So second to the last is this flashlight. So it is very important while you are doing hiking activities. Also your water. It is very important because when you are walking all along, you feel thirsty, and water is the best solution to get energized and also to be refreshed in doing the hiking activity. So I'm gonna put this. So my backpack is already full. I'm gonna close it and I'm ready for hiking. That's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something on how you